FAB Bank is one of the biggest and most popular banks in the UAE. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your FAB iSave account, which is totally a zero balance account. The FAB iSave account doesn't require any minimum balance and you won't be charged any fee regardless of the amount you have in your account. And what is most interesting, you'll even get interest, or call it profit. So every penny you keep in this FAB account, you'll earn more money. And in addition, you'll access instant online banking, a free debit card, and free online money transfer. Only UAE residents with a valid Emirates ID are eligible for the FAB iSave account. To open this account, simply visit the FAB Bank websites, type FAB iSave account in your Google search bar, and click on the first results. As you can see on the screen, you earn 4.5% interest per year on all funds deposited between May 2023 to June 2025. Instant account opening. The account is only available in dirhams, no minimum balance requirement, and no restriction on the number of withdrawals. So, tap on apply now. You'll then be prompted to download the FAB mobile banking app from the Google or the Apple Store. Once the download is done, open the app and then tap on Join FAB. As you can see on the screen, make sure you have enough lighting in your environment to enable your face scan. Also, keep your IBAN or your account number of your UAE salary account ready. And lastly, keep your Emirates ID ready for verification scan. Tap on the continue button, enter your mobile number plus your email address. Go ahead, enter the OTP that will be sent to your mobile number, the OTP that will be sent to your email address, and then start entering your basic personal information. Start with your nationality, your employment status, and your monthly salary. We'll discuss more later about the minimum salary requirement for this bank account. But go ahead and enter your Emirate where you stay, plus the FAB Bank branch that is near to you. So, once you tap on the continue or next button, you will see that your account type will be automatically chosen by the FAB Bank. In this case, it's the FAB Personal Savings Account. Remember, we are opening this account using the link generated from the FAB website via the FAB iSave account. So, to qualify for the FAB iSave account, you have to first open a personal savings account. I understand that it's a bit confusing and frustrating. What most people don't understand is that you cannot open the FAB iSave account without practically first opening a FAB personal savings account. So this is like a catch that FAB is using to get more customers to open their personal savings account. What do you think about this? You can let me know in the comments. To go ahead, you have to scan your Emirates ID. Tap on the next button, scan both the front and the back side, and then tap on the continue button. Scan your face, and again, you have to verify your Emirates ID details by placing your ID at the back of your phone, as you can see in the photo on the screen. Once the scan is complete, all your Emirates ID details will be revealed, just like your name, your Emirates ID number, ID expiry date, and nationality. Tap on the next button to move on onto the next step. Here, you'll have to enter your employment details, your residence address details, and keep in mind that it's this residence details that they will use as your primary address and will probably facilitate in the delivery of your debit card. Also enter your country of birth, answer the tax declaration question, and then go ahead, upload your signature. It must match with the one on your Emirates ID, and then tap on confirm my details. Lastly, you'll have to enter your home country address details and then select the names you want to appear on your FAB bank card. Once you are satisfied with your card names, then tap on confirm, and automatically your FAB bank account application will be submitted. For a meanwhile, you can head back to the FAB application and set up your mobile banking details like your username and your password. Now here is the important question. What is the minimum balance and the minimum salary requirement for opening this FAB Bank account? Honestly, the FAB iSave account, which is a zero balance account, is a product that can be accessed only after opening the FAB personal savings account. The FAB personal savings account has a minimum balance of 3,000 dirhams and a fee of 25 dirhams per month in case you fail to maintain this minimum balance. The only way to avoid this minimum balance fee is to transfer your salary of 5,000 or more to the FAB personal savings account, and the minimum salary requirement for opening this account is 3,000. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if your salary is below 3,000 and you are looking for a perfect zero balance account, look no more. The video on the screen will guide you to open the best zero balance account even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams.